Earlier this month, I made a video on the reveal of the brand new C63S E-Performance. Although somewhat controversial, there's no denying the new C63 is going to be an impressive car, boasting up to 680 horsepower filled with Formula 1 technology. Speaking of Formula 1, Mercedes AMG have just revealed a special edition C63 that's going to be available at launch called the F1 Edition, and it looks absolutely awesome. This special edition is going to be available for the entire first year of C63 orders. The car is finished in a special exclusive alpine grey paint. There's also this dark grey gradient that fades from the bottom of the side of the car, holding a large AMG logo. This contrasts so well with all these gloss black trim pieces that they've put all over the car. All the way around the bottom of the car is this red highlighting line. It even runs along the edge of the wheels. It stands out so well against all the black trim and dark bottom of the car, and it gives it such a mean look. These are going to look absolutely incredible in person. Now, if you follow Formula 1, you may recognise this styling from the latest safety cars. As you can see here, it has the exact same red piping along the bottom and the same AMG badge along the sides. Inside the car, the red continues with red stitching everywhere. Even the carbon fibre has a slight red weave to it. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a picture, but the official press release says that the interior will feature a special exclusive edition badge. And it also has special AMG floor mats with the F1 logo. The press release says the car will come with a customised indoor car cover, which also has the F1 badge. Now, this all looks and sounds absolutely incredible. And well, I'm not going to lie, I really want this car. Now, the prices have not yet been revealed for the new C63, but it's all starting to sound very, very expensive. I'm starting to fear it could be well over the 100k mark. So there we have it, guys. That's a quick look at the new C63S E-Performance F1 Edition. I think with the lack of V8, Mercedes AMG have just decided to go absolutely all out on this car and just throw everything at it. And to be honest, from what I've heard and from what I've seen, it's looking like it's going to be an incredible car. So guys, stay tuned to ABAUTO for more coverage on this car and lots of Mercedes Benz and AMG content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.